Hello traders, this is Trading Gate, and in this video we're gonna introduce a new we call it like a swing trading or scalping strategy using Ichimoku indicator to predict future. So we're looking at the back and the past, and then we're gonna look at the future and predict the price movement. So this is like a fantastic strategy using Ichimoku, pretty simple, pretty much. And then you can use it on a different time frames and different assets as well. So before going to this video, please subscribe to the channel and then like the video and the comment below the video and use the comment section to share your experience. So before going to introduce this strategy, so this is not a financial advice, and then you should do your own analysis and then backtest before using any strategy on the internet. So be careful and follow risk management for trading. For this strategy, I'm gonna use Ichimoku indicator. I saved this before, so you can see my saved indicators. Now I'm gonna just active baseline. I don't need other lines. I'm gonna make it a little bit thick, so even I don't need like the Bitcoin candles, or like the candle price candles. So for this strategy, we just need to look at the flat section. We need to look for this flat section of the baseline indicator. For the flat section, we need to at an area that it's already at least 8 candles. So for example, here we have like a flat, here we have flat, here we have flat, here we have flat, here we have flat, right? So which flat we're interested more is the flat with at least 8 candles. So for this one, for example, if I just use it like that, I'm going to turn on. So this is 8 candles, right? So I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Okay. So for this strategy, you need to draw 2 lines at the beginning and the end of that flat area, and then moving forward 26 candles from each flat, 26 candles. So it means somewhere like here, and make another line, and 26 from this one, 26 is here. So I'm gonna change the color of those 2 new lines to, for example, blue, and then I'm gonna go back 52 from the new lines, and then 52, and 52 from the other one. Here, another vertical line. Then I need to put a line in the middle of those 2 new areas. I'm gonna change the color of those to, for example, this one, and then this is the middle of that area approximately. This is not like exactly this should be the middle, but we need to see the price movement. And then I'm gonna turn on the price, and you can see here, if you had any turning and reversal in the price action, for example, this is up, going up, and then going down. So this is the change in the price movement. You're gonna have a reversal in the new area as well, but the point is not exactly the same pattern. It might be going down and then going up, or anything else. So the point is, if you had any reversal here, definitely you're gonna have another reversal here, 90% of the situations. So here price went up, right? And then from this point we have price that falling down. So as you can see, this is exactly is not the middle. Middle would be like here, for example. You can just enter here and then put your stop loss at end of this shadow, and then you have a decent profit of like if you enter that area to like 3% at I'm not sure how many hours, like 9 hours, for example. Let's do another one. I'm going to turn off the candles, so no cheating. Okay, another one would be here. So the first one, I'm going to change the color to that green. Another one here. So 52 candles, 26 candle forward. And then 26 from this one. 26. Change this the color. I mean, I want to change it because you're learning, so it would be much easier for you. And 52 from this side, and 52 from this one, and 10 two midlines. The midline would be orange, for example, and this one is the midline as well. But so as you can see, it's not approximating middle, so I'm just gonna turn on the candles. You can see there's no significant change here, so there's no change as well here. So what does it mean? So you don't have any change in the price action or the direction. So the price moves in the sideway, and then but here price moves in a downtrend. So when it says there's no change, it means it's gonna go down again. So you can see how amazing this strategy is. I'm gonna do another one. For example, here, I'm not gonna change the color this time because of the time. I don't want to increase the time of the video. Here 26, another one 26. Maybe I'm gonna change the color of the midline at the end. This one 52 and this one 52 here. And then two midlines. This one is midline for this one, and this one is midline for this one. I'm going to change this one to, for example, blue. Let's see. So it's hard to say what kind of price movement we had here. So, but somehow price started from a downtrend and went up. It's a slight change and then went up. So we can have like a reversal here, as you can see, but as you can see, there's not significant. But sometimes, like the first one we saw, as I can just bring it back to you, it's significant, as you can see here. So please subscribe to channel and like the video if you like this kind of videos. This is a unique video, and then it's gonna motivate us to post more content like that onto YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.